Cooking is one of my passions, and I share my love through cooking. It's another way of me saying I love you to the family and the friends I cook for. Today, I want to share one of my favorite salad recipes with you because I want to say I love you to all of you. Very easy to make, tasty, and when I make this for parties, so many people ask me the recipe. So do you want to know? Okay, let's get started. So it's a cabbage salad and you need a cabbage. And I will add carrot today to make the color beautiful. I love to use mandarin. I love mandarin because it's so easy to use and faster. And I use this for so many other vegetables. But you can use a knife and try to cut cabbage thinner. The thinner is better because it tastes better. And let's start preparing the cabbage. And for carrot, you can keep the skin, especially if you use organic carrot, more nutrition in the skin. But if you peel the skin, the orange color of the carrot stay bright longer. So if you know that you have to prepare salad and wait for a long time before you eat, you probably want to peel the skin. And I like to use this box grater for carrot. I use this a lot in my kitchen. And this is it. And to garnish, I like to add some green, so I will add green onions today. And you can add parsley and chopped nuts if you like, and sesame seeds. Then my homemade dressing, and that's it. And you can use any dressing, but I like to make my own dressing.